Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE and GCSE Maths School. Today we are going to discuss the paper 1 of Mathematics D of Cambridge O Level, October November 2023. In this paper we have discussed the question number 16. Today I are going to open the discussion from question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17 has given some information about the heights of 80 plants. Then they have given the heights, they have given the table of information. This first row on the table shows heights in centimeters of some plants, and second row shows cumulative frequency, heights and cumulative frequency. Heights, h less than or equals 2, h less than or equals 4, h less than or equals 6, h less than or equals 8, h less than equals 10, h less than equals 12. H means height. Now here cumulative frequency 4, 18, 42, 16, 72, 80, right? Okay. Then here this cumulative frequency is 4, means there are 4 plants of which the height is less than or equals to 2. There are 18 plants of which the height is 4 or less than. Then there are 42 plants of which the height is 6 or less than 6. There are 60 plants of which the height is 8 or less than 8. There are 72 plants of which the height is 10 or less than 10. There are 80 plants altogether, height of which is 12 or less than 12, right? Okay. Now draw the cumulative frequency graph, right? This cumulative frequency graph axes are here, this side, this horizontal axis represents height of the plants, then vertical axis represents the cumulative frequency, right? Cumulative frequency goes up to 80, then here 10 to 80 I have marked from 10 to 80, right? Okay. Now we will see how to draw the cumulative frequency graph by marking the coordinates of height and cumulative frequency. Then cumulative frequency when height is 2 or less than 2, cumulative frequency is 4. Then 2 we will take for somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Then when the height is 4 or less than 4, cumulative frequency is 18. 4 less than 4, 18, no? 18 somewhere here. Somewhere here. We mark 8 for 8, right? Okay. Right, then next one 4. It is 42. Height, when the height is 6 or less than 6, cumulative is 42. 6 or less than 6. 42. 42 somewhere here. Somewhere here. Right, okay. 6. Right, 42. Right, like that, 42. Then when the height is 8 or less than 8, the cumulative frequency is 60. 8 or less than 8, 60, no? 60. Yeah. Somewhere here. Yes. Right. Okay. Now this is 42. 6 or less than 6. This is 18. And here 4. Right. This is 42. This is 18. This is 4. Okay. Then next one. Then when the height is 8 or less than 8, cumulative frequency is 60, right? Okay, this one. Right, okay. Then when height is 10 or less than 10, cumulative frequency is 72. 72. 72 is somewhere here. Somewhere here. Right. Okay. This is 72. Right. Then the height is 12 or less than 12, cumulative frequency is 8. Then 8 this. Okay. Now we can draw. You draw freehand curve. Right. Yes. I am not getting the right shape because I am not drawing on a graph paper. When you draw the graph paper, you will get a S-shaped curve like this shape curve, right? Okay. That is the general shape of a cumulative frequency graph. There are variations, but that is the general shape. Okay, you will get a shape curve if you draw on a coordinate plane, right? Anyhow, now now we will the cumulative frequency graphs draw. Now find an estimate for the IQR. IQR means interquartile range. Find an estimate for the interquartile range. Interquartile range IQR equals the formula Q3 minus Q1. So that is the IQR. This is part A. This part A will answer part B here. Okay. IQR equals what? Q3 minus Q1. Then we have to find Q3 and Q1 and subtract. That's what we have to do. Then we will find Q1. What is Q1? Q1. Yeah. Q1. Q1. How do you find Q1? Q1 is the value this is the value in the set of data. You get a set of data like this. Then this set of data is divided into 4 equal parts like this. One, then Here like this. Then the data item in this place is called, this is Q1, this is Q3, this is Q2 and median. This is called also this Q2 or median. Right? Okay. Then we are going to find the value in this position. Okay. Right. Value at the place where the set of data arranged in ascending order is divided into first quarter. Right. Okay. Now, Q1, this is how you find Q1. Q1, the first of all you find place of Q1. Place of Q1, that is what? 1/4 of total frequency. Total frequency. 1/4 of total frequency 80. Then put here 1/4 into 80. Then that is 4 times 20. That means 20th place. Go to 20th place on the cumulative frequency axis here. Then write this is the place of Q1. Then draw the line to meet cumulative frequency graph. Right. Cumulative frequency graph, you draw the line, and when that line, that line intersects the cumulative graph, this point, then draw a line vertically downward like this to meet the height axis. Then you get there how much? Right, like this, how much? It is like 44. Like 44. 44, yes. Sorry, it's here 4. Here it is, let's say, like 4.5. This is 5. It is like 4.4. 4.4. This is what? Q1. Q1 is taken from this side. Then Q1 equals how much? Q1 equals how much? 4.4. Okay, 4.4. Then we have to find Q3. Q3, now find Q3. Then we have to find again the place of Q3. Place of Q3 equals 3/4 of total frequency. Total frequency. Then total frequency is 80 or 3 or 4, 80. Then 4 times 20. 20 times 3, 60. 60th place. Go and mark the 60th place on the cumulative frequency axis. This one. Then place of Q3. This one. Then 60th place. Then 60th place is value is how much? That is 80. Value is 80. Then you write, then Q3 equals what? Value is 80. Q3 values, now we have Q values of Q3 and Q3 and Q1. Then we can find the interquartile range, substituting that Q3 value and Q1 value. Q3 is how much? Sorry, here it is 8th place. Then when it comes from the 8th place like this, like this, that is 8. Right, that is 8. Okay, 8. All right, Q3 is 8. Then Q3 is 8. Minus Q1 is how much? 4.4. Then substitute. Okay, now 8 minus 4.4, that is 3.6 centimeter. Okay, that is the interquartile range of this heights of plants. Okay, right. 3.6 centimeters. Right, now they ask, see, plants are sold when they are taller than 6 centimeters. 28 of these plants are sold. Plants are sold when they are taller than 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. then the H is some value that we have to find out. 28 of these plants are sold. Find the value of H. Now they say that plants are sold when they are when they are taller than H centimeters. There's a particular height level. When the plants grow beyond that level, taller than that level, then they are sold. Now they said they have sold 28 plants like that. That means they have sold 28 plants taller than H. Taller than H. And we are asked to find value of H. This is how you find that. Then when the plants are sold when they are taller than H, and they say that 28 plants have been sold, that means there have been 28 plants taller than H. There have been 28 plants taller than H. Then this is the maximum height of plant is 80 centimeters. Therefore, plants are sold starting from the tallest plant, right? Okay. Then tallest plant may be 80, then 80, and all other plants less than 80. Therefore, we have to take those 28 plants because you are selling tallest plants. Therefore, we have to take those 28 plants from this side, from tallest end, not from this shortest end. Then count from the tallest end 28 plants downwards. Then from 80 to 28. You count from 80 and count down by 28. When you count down by 28 from 80, it will be some 52. 52. Yes, that is part C. Then you count, you deduct 20, then it will be 52 plants, no? 52 plants. Then it is it's not 52 plants. It is a 52 height of, it is 52 plants. 52 plants. But let's say it is somewhere here 52. After you count down from 80 to 28, it is 52 level. 52 is here. That means now if you count like this, say you get something like this somewhere, that is somewhere like here it is like this, no? Somewhere like here it is 7, like 7.4, no? There is like 7.4. Then that means, let's say it is 7.4. This 52 means then the 52 plants have the height 7.4 less than. That means total number of plants, cumulative frequency of 52, total number of plants, height of which is 7.4 or less than is 52. So therefore this 52 includes all the plants, height of which is 7.4 or less than. Right. Anyhow, now after counting down this 58 from 80, after counting down this 28 from 80, it was 52. Then you go to this 52 level like this. Then that is 7.4. They say then this is the 28 plants which were taller than 52. This one says taller than 52. Now those 28 plants are taller than those 28 plants are taller than 52. No, that's all. Those 28 plants are taller than 7.4. 7.4. 7 because when the height is greater, height is greater, you take the heights or frequencies from top end, right? From the taller end, right? Okay. Then from top end, right? Okay. Then this 52 is the number of plants which were what is less than 7.4 or equal to 7.4 in height, and any plants, the number of plants 7.4, number of plants which are taller than 7.4 is this much, is 28. Is 28. Then this region is what? This region is what? The plants that are taller than 7.4. Then this region, the frequency is this region. Frequency is taken from the top end. Then accordingly, this value will be the what? H value. 7.4 will be the H. Then accordingly, H equals what? 7.4. H equals 7.4. Right. That is done. Now Q18. Based on this part. Now Q18, they say that speed time graph for two cyclists A and B. They have given here the A's speed time graph. This is B's speed time graph. That is a graph parallel to the horizontal axis time axis, right? Then here B has maintained the same speed 5 meters per second over the first 20 seconds period 0 to 20. But A has increased its speed from 1 to 7 within the first 20 seconds period, right? Now they ask find the acceleration. Acceleration, this A has increased the speed from 1 to 7. Therefore, A has acceleration, that is part A, you write. A has acceleration, Q18. A has acceleration, right? Then acceleration equals what? Speed difference over time difference. All right. Speed difference is how much here? 7 minus 1. Time difference is what? 20 minus 0. Then it will be here how much? 7 minus 1, 6. Then 20 minus 0, 0. Then what has happened? Then 6 divided by 3 is 0.3 meters per second. Right. So that is the meters per second square. Sorry, because acceleration meters per 0.3 meters per second square. Right. Then B. What is B? B is asked find who travels further. In the first 20, they ask who has traveled more distance than the other during the first 20 seconds. Then in the speed time graph, the distance travel is the area under the curve. Then if you want to find the distance travel within the first 20 seconds by this A, you have to find the area under this A speed time graph, this area. This area, that is what this is, this area. This is a trapezium. These are the two parallel sides. Sorry, these are trapezium. These are trapezium. This you have to find the area, this trapezium. Right? Okay. Then we will find that. Then here, what is the length of this side? Here 0 to 1, this is 1. What is the length of this side from here to it is 7. 7. Then we want this height is how much? This is the height. These are the two parallel sides. Then the height is 20. Then we will find the distance traveled by A. Distance A. Distance travel how much? That area of the trapezium 1 plus 7 into half into H is how much? 20. How much? 10. This one 8 into 10 means 8 into 10 means how much? 80 meters. Then A has traveled 80 meters within first 20 seconds. Then go to B. B has traveled how much? Distance. B travel how much? Distance B travel is now here. Look at this is the A's speed time graph is a horizontal line parallel to x-axis. X is the time axis, parallel time axis. Then his speed time graph is this. Then the distance traveled by B is the area under his speed time graph. This one. This area. That means this area of this rectangle. That is the area of this rectangle is how much? That is this side is 5, here 5, then this side is 20. Then write 5 into 20. How much? 100 meters. Now B has traveled 100 meters, A has traveled 80 meters, then B has traveled more. B has what? Travel further. That's all. Further means more. Okay, no? Further. D has traveled further. So that is that question 18. Now I am going to question 19 also. Question 19 is very easy question. I will erase off this. Okay. Right, now question 19. Then question 19, Q19, right? They say express as a single fraction in its lowest terms, this one, right? 8 plus 1, sorry, x plus 1 over 8. Other one plus 3x over 4. Other one minus 5x over 16. There are 3 fractions to be added and subtracted. Then when you add and subtract fractions, you have to look at whether the denominators are equal. If the denominators are not equal, you have to find the common denominator. In this case, denominators are different. Therefore, you have to find the common denominator. Here, the common denominator is obvious. Here, this 16 can be divided by 4. And 16 also can be divided by 8. Therefore, 16 is the common denominator right here. To convert this 8 into 16, we have to multiply this by 2, multiply this also by 2. Yes, plus 1, because 8 times 2 is 16. Then, to convert this 4 into 16, you have to multiply 4 by 4. Then, multiply this also by 4. 4 times 3x. To convert this 16 into this one, you have to multiply this by 1. Therefore, multiply this also by 1. 1 multiplied by minus 5x is minus 5x itself. Now, remove brackets. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 1, 2. Then 4 times 3, 12x. Then minus 5x over how much? 16. Then 2x plus 12x, 14x, minus 5x, 9x. That is 9x plus 2 over 16. That is the answer. So with that, I end this video and expecting to meet you in a different interesting video, and have a nice time. Until that, say goodbye to you.